I'm Dennis.
And I'm Denise.
And this is Visual Imaging Solutions coming to you from northern Wisconsin on the Montreal River.
Where it is cold.
It is 10 degrees and we just had to force the Insta360 1RS to shut down by pulling the battery out of it because it froze up literally in the freezing cold. So we don't know how long this video is going to last because we don't know how long the camera will hold up. But this is a beautiful scene for sure. So we have the Canon 5D Mark III and the 24-105 lens that Denise tells me needs to be cleaned. The front of the lens element's a little dirty, so that may impact the photos. But we're going to take a few photos of this amazing waterfall here in this winter wonderland that's all around us. The Great Lakes have been busy making snow. In particular, Lake Superior has been dumping snow all over northern Wisconsin for the last several days. And we're in a spot that's only gotten about 8 inches, but 4 miles east of here, it's about 20-30 inches of snow, and it's really coming down right now really hard. We tried to get to Lake Superior and had to give up on that idea. So this is a good second place to shoot today. So I'm going to take some photos with the 5D and see what they turn out like.
Here we are.
Thank you, honey. What do you think?
It was worth it. Worth the trip. You want to go ahead and walk over here around the rocks?
Denise is going to try not to fall.
Well, there's rocks right here, so it's a little bit.
Back out of the way so you can get off those rocks, honey.
Rocks.
I'm going to go right over here and take a photo of this little spot.
Oh, don't fall.
Rocky.
Oh, look at those trees, honey. Aren't they beautiful?
That's incredible, isn't it?
It is so pretty.
I don't know if you noticed, but we're now along a frozen creek bed.
I can hear it.
Isn't that cool?
It is really cool. So the water is trickling underneath the ice here.
Just see the water over there.
Oh, sure enough, look at that. Just barely. Ha! That's pretty cool.
That's really neat, huh?
Mm-hmm. Whoa.
What?
Nothing.
No, I'd like get right down there and take some photos of that, but I know
Yep.
I'll go through.
You'll go right through, yeah, you'll go right through that. But look how cool that is. It's really cool.
It's pretty.
See the water going through.
I'll go up the trail a little bit and see if there's some better spot to get a photo.
Okay. Pretty. Look at the snow hanging down on the trees.
Oh yeah, that's a pretty spot,
Isn't that beautiful?
You really hear the water burbling in the creek.
Mm-hmm. Burbling. Is that a Wisconsin word, honey? Burbling?
No, it's an English word.
Oh, ooh, look at that. Ooh, there we are.
Yeah, that's pretty nice, huh? So are you in Wisconsin or are you in Narnia?
I don't know. It's awful gorgeous through here. This is, yeah, this is amazing. Don't get too close to the edge now. Go through. Oh, you're getting a little close there. You're getting a little close. I'm not fishing you out of there.
Sorry if I fall in.
Let's go down the hill again. Or to go down the hill. Let's go down the hill. Very gingerly and carefully here. So far so good. I have not fallen yet. Kind of see the fall through the trees here. Isn't that cool? Oh, look at that. That's cool, isn't it? Just don't fall down the hill, please.
I'll try not to.
No falling down the hill. You need to get that close to the edge, do you? Honey. Thank you. Yeah, you could, but
I fall in the water, you're leaving me.
yeah, that's a lot of snow. Yes, you should get a photo of that, honey.
Place, huh?
Sure is. don't like this hill.
Now there were rocks here. You gotta navigate carefully.
Yeah, I know. I can see myself falling on this. Alright. Let's see here.
Need my hand?
Oh, I got it. A little snowy.
Didn't I just tell you to be careful because of the rocks?
Well, yeah, I know, but it's hard to be careful with snowshoes on with rock. Oh, I don't like this part. Oh, I mean, these are some great snowshoes, but not on rock, it's not. Oh my goodness gracious. I'm like cross. Oh, I'm on a rock. Alright, this is not cool. Okay.
Take your time.
Alright.
Worth it.
Good spot, good spot.
That is a really pretty spot right there. You should walk over there with that camera and show everybody.
Which way?
Here.
I know, down the river both ways.
Both ways, but especially right here underneath this hemlock. Over to your right.
Ooh, look at that. It's really cool. Oh, look at that. Oh my. That is just beautiful. That way. Yeah, that scene right there is that's amazing. Stepping on myself.
Keep it under control there, dearie. So, this is our photo adventure for today with Visual Imaging Solutions in the woods of northern Wisconsin. What did you think?
I love it. It's so beautiful with the snow on the trees.
Even with cold hands?
Yeah, even with cold hands. And they're not too bad, actually. My hands are a little better with these gloves on.
Yeah, it's a pretty warm day today. It's like 11 degrees, so, you know.
It's manageable. It's worth it. Let's put it that way. It's worth it.
I can't wait till the middle of January because in the middle of January, we get these times when it's 30 or 40 or more degrees below zero.
Ooh. Yeah.
My dad used to say the flames would freeze in the fireplace.
Hmm.
It's cold enough, though, that your cheeks get a little stiff, and it's hard to talk.
That's why you need hot coffee, which is still waiting back by our vehicle. In our vehicle, do you think our coffee's still warm?
It'll be frozen coffee when we get back.
It'll be iced coffee.
So that's it for Visual Imaging Solutions, coming to you from northern Wisconsin, where it's winter and snowy, and it's December 1st.
Yes, so please like, comment, and please subscribe.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.